When you get your Spectra device, it will be connected to this Flex PCB, and you might ask, how do I swap out the Flex PCB in the tank for the adapter? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to remove the Flex PCB. Here is the FPC connector. What you do is you simply see these little grey points. I'm going to pull them up at the same time. Bink! They came up. Now this will loosen the adapter. So we should be able to just wiggle it out. There you go. Okay, to put the Flex adapter in, simply grab it. You'll see it has a shiny gold-plated side and a dark side. The gold-plated side should be face up. Grab the board and simply wiggle it in. It's actually quite a snug fit. And then you see these little tabs. Simply grab the other side of this and push them down. There you go. The Flex adapter is now connected, and you can patch it out to a standard 0.1 inch connector.